In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete SEO content plan using Scalenut. By the end of this video, you'll know how to research topics, build keyword clusters, create content briefs, and organize a strategy that can scale traffic over time. Instead of guessing what to write next, you'll have a structured plan that targets search demand, supports topical authority, and helps your content rank more consistently. I'm Erin from AI Academy. Let's get into it. Why SEO content planning matters. SEO is no longer about publishing random blog posts and hoping that something ranks. Search engines now prioritize topical depth, relevance, and consistency, which means they reward sites that thoroughly cover a subject rather than those that publish scattered, unrelated articles. Websites that build out an entire topic ecosystem tend to outperform those posting isolated pieces. Websites that build out an entire topic ecosystem tend to outperform those posting isolated pieces. When your content connects and supports a central theme, search engines can better understand your authority and users can navigate your site more easily. A structured content plan helps you build authority around core topics while avoiding keyword cannibalization where multiple pages compete for the same search term. It also supports internal linking, improves ranking potential, and creates a predictable path for scaling organic traffic over time. Instead of writing disconnected articles, you're building a content system that strengthens with every new post. What Scalenut does. Scalenut is an SEO and content planning platform built to help you research, structure, and produce long-form content designed to rank. Instead of guessing what to include in your articles, the platform analyzes ranking pages, identifies important topics, and guides you through creating content aligned with search intent. Rather than juggling separate tools for keyword research, optimization, and writing, Scalenut brings these steps into one workflow. You can research keyword demand and competition, build topic clusters, create data-informed content briefs, and generate SEO-focused articles without leaving the platform. It also includes optimization features that suggest relevant terms and scoring insights to help ensure your content covers the topics search engines expect to see. This makes it easier to move from research to publishing while maintaining structure, consistency, and ranking potential. Before we begin, go ahead and click the link below to try Scalenut. You can follow along step by step. So I already signed in. So you want to start by entering your website domain and click on submit. I already did mine, but I will still show you what I mean. So then you will just put the domain name. So this tells the platform what brand it should analyze and monitor across AI search engines and conversational systems. So as you're submitting it, the platform begins scanning AI engines for brand mentions. During this phase, it analyzes how AI systems discuss, rank, and recommend your brand across conversational and search environments. This includes reviewing responses generated by major AI assistants and identifying where your brand appears within top related answers. So the scan typically takes a few minutes while the system gathers enough data to build a visibility profile. But once the scan finishes, it will look like this. So the dashboard reveals how your brand appears across AI generated responses. You'll see where your brand is mentioned, how frequency AI models reference it, and whether sentiment trends are positive, neutral, or negative. The platform also compares your visibility against competitors and highlights gaps where your brand is absent. These insights surface opportunities to improve recognition, strengthen topical authority, and increase the likelihood of being recommended by AI systems. Instead of relying solely on search rankings, you gain a clear view of how AI platforms perceive and present your brand. So at the top, the visibility score and ranking indicate how frequently the brand appears in AI-generated responses compared to competitors. So in this example, Charlie Chang is ranked number 7, while YouTube dominates visibility. Large platforms often appear first because they have massive authority signals, but smaller brands showing up at all is significant. It means the brand is recognized within the topic ecosystem. The average position chart shows how prominently the brand appears when it is mentioned, while the share of voice shows how much of the overall conversation space each competitor occupies. YouTube holds the largest share, but other educators and platforms appear across the same topic landscape, so this helps identify who dominates attention in AI-driven recommendations and where visibility gaps exist. So here we have the visibility heat map. So the heat map reveals where visibility is coming from across different AI platforms, including ChatGPT, Google AI Overview, Perplexity, and Claude. In this example, Charlie Chang appears on Perplexity, while YouTube dominates visibility on Claude. Some brands appear only on search engines, which highlights platform-specific opportunities. If visibility is missing on certain engines, that signals a content opportunity. At the bottom, visibility rankings are broken down by topic clusters. These themes represent the subject areas AI associates with the brand, such as online learning resources, entrepreneurship, and side hustles, and money or investing advice. This shows what topics the brand is recognized for and where competitors outrank it. If the goal is to expand authority, these categories help guide future content strategy. So this data shows how AI engines perceive the brand, which competitors dominate the topic space, where content authority is strongest, and where new content can improve visibility. Instead of guessing what to create, this insight helps guide content that strengthens recognition and increases the chance of being recommended by AI systems. Now that you understand what the visibility data is showing, the next steps is turning these insights into a content strategy. The themes where the brand already appears indicate existing authority, while gaps highlights opportunities for expansion. If competitors dominate certain topic areas, that signals demand and confirms that those subjects are worth covering. Instead of guessing what to publish next, you can prioritize content that strengthens weak areas, reinforces strong ones, and expands visibility across the full topic ecosystem. Building topic clusters that expand authority. This is where Scalenut's cluster planning becomes essential. Start by selecting one core topic where visibility already exists. Then build supporting articles that explore subtopics, questions, and related search intent. This cluster structure helps search engines and AI systems understand the depth of your expertise. Over time, interconnected content strengthens authority signals and improves the likelihood of being surfaced in AI-generated responses. Create data-informed content briefs. Once you identify cluster opportunities, the next step is generating content briefs. Scalenut analyzes ranking pages and extracts the topics, headings, and questions your content should cover. Instead of writing from scratch, you begin with a structure aligned with search intent and user expectations. This ensures each article contributes strategically to the overall content ecosystem rather than existing as a standalone post. Optimize content for search and AI discovery. As you build articles, optimization helps ensure your content fully covers the topic landscape, including relevant terminology, answering common questions, and structuring content clearly improves both search visibility and AI comprehension. AI systems prioritize content that is comprehensive, well-structured, and contextually relevant, so optimization is no longer optional. It is part of ensuring your content is understood and surfaced. Scale consistently for long-term traffic. The real advantage of a structured content plan is scalability. Instead of chasing individual keywords, you're expanding topic authority over time. Each new article strengthens internal linking, reinforces relevance, and increases your chances of being recommended in both search results and AI-generated answers. Consistency builds momentum, and momentum drives predictable traffic growth. Now let's take a quick look at the pricing plan so you can decide which level fits your needs. So there's Starter, Plus, and Professional. So the Starter plan is designed for individuals or small teams getting started. It allows tracking a limited number of prompts, includes one workspace, and supports basic GEO content creation and optimization. This tier works well if you want to monitor AI visibility and begin building optimized content without a large commitment. The Plus plan expands capacity and adds deeper optimization tools. For $45 a month, you can track more prompts, manage multiple workspaces, run larger content audits, and collaborate with a small team. It also introduces advanced features like internal linking suggestions and topic gap recommendations, making it better suited for growing brands focused on improving visibility and scaling content output. The Professional plan is built for teams treating AI visibility as a core growth channel. It significantly increases prompt tracking limits, supports unlimited workspaces and team members, and includes advanced planning tools, cannibalization analysis, and priority support. This tier is ideal for organizations managing multiple sites or executing a large-scale content strategy. All plans include a free trial so you can explore the platform and see which level matches your workflow before committing. SEO today is about authority, readability, structure, and discoverability across both search engines and AI platforms. By using Scalenut to plan clusters, create briefs, and optimize content, you shift from reactive publishing to a strategic system built for long-term visibility. If you want to start building a structured content plan, you can try Scalenut using the link down below. I'm Erin from AI Academy. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.